Why set up workout reminders?
Consistency is key to fitness success. Setting up workout reminders in fitness apps helps you stay motivated, prevent missed sessions, and build healthy habits over time. Notifications act as gentle nudges, making it easier to prioritize your workouts, even on busy days. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, using digital prompts can transform your approach to exercise and boost long-term results.
Choosing the right fitness app.
Start by selecting a fitness app that matches your needs. Popular choices include Apple Health, Google Fit, Strava, Fitbit, and MyFitnessPal. Look for features like customizable reminders, streak tracking, and compatibility with your devices. Many apps offer free versions with basic reminder functions, while others provide advanced habit-building tools. Take some time to explore app reviews to find the one that suits your goals.
Setting up workout reminders.
In most fitness apps, head to the Settings or Notifications section. Look for an option labeled Reminders or Workout Alerts. Set the days and times you want to be notified about your workouts. Be realistic. Choose times that fit your schedule. Some apps allow recurring reminders for daily, weekly, or custom intervals. Save the changes and you'll start receiving timely prompts to get moving.
Tracking your workout streaks.
Many fitness apps automatically track your activity streaks, how many consecutive days or weeks you exercise. Check for a streak or history tab in the app. Use these features to visualize your progress. Streaks can boost your motivation by turning fitness into a rewarding game. If your app supports badges or rewards for streaks, challenge yourself to keep the chain going.
Staying motivated for the long term.
Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Share your streaks with friends, join app communities, or invite others for accountability. Adjust reminders and goals as your fitness journey evolves. If you miss a day, don't be discouraged. Resume your streak and keep moving forward. The key is persistence. With reminders and streak tracking, your fitness habits can become a lasting part of your routine.